Welcome. Welcome to special episode of episode 100. In this episode, we will be building part 2-11, right-hand steering arm for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and wow, this is the 100th episode of this series. Whew, not bad, and we've still got a lot to do, so let's get into it. So this episode, we will be building part 2-11, right-hand steering arm for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Alright, so let's go to right view. Let's do center line. Going to be, should be vertical, that's fine. That's going to be on angle. That's all we need. Actually, hold on. We need something else. Let me do one of these. It's going to point there. Do that one there. Turn that into a construction line. Put those 2 points together. Probably can get away with doing that, but let's just do it anyway, just make it easier. That's vertical. Now from this point's got to be 75 degrees. So from there to there, 75 degrees. Beautiful. It's going to be, this is going to be 76 radius. There we go. So that's going to be there. So we want 2 circles there, 2 there, 2 there. It's going to be like an up piece and down piece. Let's do circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them not bigger than they should be. That's fine. 5, 6. Okay. The inner diameter is 12. Our diameter is 22. Inner diameter is 10. Oh, missed. Oh, happened. Inner diameter is 10. Our diameter is 19. Inner diameter is 10. And our diameter is 19. So that's good, yep. Now, all these actually on this piece are all the same thickness, so we don't have to go through that extra work. Okay, so now we go feature extrude. It's going to be 13 mid-plane and done. There we go. Let's now go to front plane. No, sorry. Right plane, normal 2. Right plane, sketch. Now we want piece go up straight. Curve, angle, curve, up, curve, and down. So let's do. Oh, that works. Let me do that one there. Okay, let me just put those 2 as joined. There we go. Oh, that's terrible. Maybe shouldn't do it like that. Bring that one up there. Point. There we go, it's a bit better. Now, this one's got to be vertical. This one actually disappears because it's going to be a circle, and that's going to be a circle. Oh, curved, sorry. If I can click it. And that's going to be curved. Okay, so these 2 are parallel. There we go. Okay, so let's put in a center line again. This will definitely come in handy. Touch corner from that point, touch the edge, that point, touch the edge, that point. There we go. Now, this one and this one's got to be parallel, so that makes it easier. It's going to be 14 across. going to be 7 from the center line. Oop. What happened there? That's going to be the same. That's going to be 7. And that's going to be 14. That just makes it easier. Oh, let me get that one out of the way. There we go. Let me get that one out of the way. So now we need to create a circle for here. Let's move that long bit out of the way. So we're going to create another circle around. Circle around, circle around. Where are we? We want the 3-point, 7-point arc. So that's going to go there. Thank you. That's going to go way around there, that's right. And one's going to go there. Perfect. Okay, so this point will match. This point and this edge will match. These two will match. And these two will match. I think that has already matched, hasn't it? Nope, it hasn't. Okay. Not too sure. Just click on drag it. If it does, it would move with it, but did not. So therefore, there's no symbol there too, which kind of realised. Okay, so let's go trim. Trim that piece off. Trim that piece off. That piece. That piece. That piece. And that piece. Okay, that's good. So that means... We'll dimension this. Just make sure... Actually, that and that curve will be tangent. There we go. That and that curve will be tangent. This and that curve will be tangent. Perfect. Now let's go back to arch. Oh, the arc center point. Okay, so this one and this one will be connected. This one and these 2 points will be connected. Now this point and this point will be tangent and tangent. Oh, not with me something. I think I clicked the point. There we go. Now the radius of that will be 12. There you go. Actually, that was... I thought there's going to be a bit of pain here, but when those things lock in, then 12, then that can only be in one place, because if that's further down, that means it's going to be this way. So those 2 points there locked into place. Nice. Very nice. Okay, that's going to be 13 wide. 13. Mid-plane. And okay. Oh, sorry. My bad. 6.5. I think, hold on. Why's that flat? 6.5. There we go. That's better. I was going to say, what the heck? Okay, so that's there. That's done. Let's now do a fillet. 0.5. Those 2 edges. Actually, let's try something. Let's clear that. Let's try that edge. Let's go around there. Beautiful. That edge. That one. That one. Yes, that one. That one. And that one. And that edge. Thank you. The reason I didn't do them, it's actually curved around, but let me just highlight them anyway, that way I know they're selected. I don't want to do this one because I don't want the holes to be pivoted. Oh, hold on. Let's select that one. Okay, I did now. And let's see what that does. Actually, that worked out perfect. That worked out perfect. That's a good example of doing the edges. Oh, sorry, the faces, not the edge. Okay, let's go front, normal 2. Oh, no, sorry. Right, normal 2. That's where we started building from. Because this one here That's hole going through. Okay, let's do a front plane. Let's do a sketch. Circle. Actually worked out good, that 7 point there. Circle. Worked out good, starting at center point. And that is 5. 5. So it's going to be 25 deep. So this way is 11. So that means it's going to be 14 that way. Okay, that's cool. So through cut, that's going to be, what did I say, 20, 22. So it's going to be 11, 20, sorry, 25 minus 11. There we go. Let's make sure I got it right way. And that's going to be through all and done. There you go, because you do not want to come out. And that looks good. Add some color to it. Beautiful. And that is part 2-11. Right hand steering arm done. So if you enjoyed the video, click the like button, subscribe, leave comments. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.